where the hills roll gently and possibilities roam freely. Welcome to a place where your lifestyle dreams take root. Welcome to the Chapel Hill Estates. Nestled in the serene hills of western Iowa, just 45 minutes from the Omaha metro, these unique acreages offer more than land. They offer a lifestyle. Each parcel spans over 2 acres of fenced pasture, ready for horses, cattle, or chickens. Whether you're envisioning weekend retreats or full-time country living, the foundation is already here. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the calm of the countryside and the freedom to build your future. Whether it's a barndominium, a shouse, or a family home tucked under the open sky. Lot 3 even includes a private well, adding instant value and convenience. Hard surface road access offers convenience, while still enjoying the peaceful escape of rolling hills and wide open views. Your story starts here, where modern homesteading meets Midwest charm. These properties are rare, ready, and waiting. Come explore the lifestyle you've been longing for. Contact Ed Spencer, broker, for more information at 402-510-3276. Package deals available.